19th of February 2024. We've just left Cottonwood Patch Campground. There are changes to the 2024 camping season. It's going to be by appointment only. You'll have to set up an account online and make reservations. Now that campsite is inside Georgia. It looks like to me on the map maybe a quarter of a mile. And where we're going to, the snorkeling hole looks to me like it is in Tennessee about a quarter of a mile. But that's just, you know, me guessing. We'll be crossing over the bridge. Is to our left. We are going in the direction of the flow. And from that check station back there, either from that road, one of those places back here, what is 11 miles to Lake Conasauga. On these roads, that's a long way. And then you got these trees come down. I've got to get a battery powered chainsaw for just that such occasion. Trees come down in these national forests all the time. I was almost blocked in by one once. I was able to drag it out of the way. It wasn't that big of a tree. I keep saying I'm going to get a winch. I need to get a winch on the front of this thing, or a portable winch. I think we've crossed over into Tennessee now, but there's not any signs, so I don't know for sure. This up here on the left is private. A really nice place, but it's private from what I can tell. Equestrians should dismount before crossing bridge. Mallard ducks down there. Now there's some more trails here. Beach Bottom Trail 8 or 6. US Highway 411, 9 miles. Out there in the island. So that's private over there on that left side over there across. You got these campsites. They are free campsites from my understanding here on the left. Hole in the tree there would be a nice place for an owl or something. Let's stop up here and walk down to the river. Looking back up the way we came. Looking downstream now. Conasauga River. Snorkeling hole is down that way. I'm not getting out there in that water. Oh, you know what? I've got the infrared. Let's see what water temperature is here. "32 degrees. That's cold, folks. That's almost freezing. 32.3. Now you will meet some very, very nice people up here in the National Forest Wildlife Management areas. But just like anywhere else you go nowadays, you have got to be careful. Pay attention to your surroundings. Pay attention to who's close to you, who's around you. Because there are some very interesting people out here in the woods. They carved that deep, didn't they? Jay loves Jay. Anybody in there? Come out with your hands up. Come out with your paws up or your feathers up. Okay, let's go to the snorkeling hole.